It's a Russian, probably a Russian.
Look at the blinkers on.
I know. It's neat. Interesting little car. Maybe this guy's the owner. He can tell us about it. It's 1959.
Yes, yes.
And it's called the Campagnola?
Campagnola from the Italian military.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Four-wheel drive or two? Quattro?
Two.
Okay. Yeah, and they don't make the
After the Second World War.
This was
This is beginning 1955.
1955.
Begin to produce.
They began to produce it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And this is a collectible, right?
Yeah.
Is it worth a lot of money now?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay. Well, are you going to drive away?
Yeah.
I'm going to film you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, grazie. Ouch. I think I just lost my hearing.